Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from Gadgetz, and in this video we're going to be talking about Bluedio T5 Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones. The T5 is Bluedio's 5th generation turbine headphone, and in my opinion this is one of the best they've made thus far. But just in case you didn't know, the Turbine series has been one of Bluedio's most successful lines. As a matter of fact, the Turbine series has sold way more headphones than all the other series. So yeah, the Turbine series is a big deal for Bluedio. So as far as design and build, it looks just like the T4 and the T4S that came before it, except there's a few minor improvements. Specifically, the hinges are much stiffer, and if you didn't know, the T4 was really loose, and the T4S did make some improvements over that, but the T5 now has a better overall feel. The ear cup cushions have a better design, and because of that new design, the ear cups are now removable, which means that Bluedio headphones are now user serviceable, so you can swap out the ear cups for whichever one you like, and that's a good move on Bluedio's part. But other than that, everything else seemed the same. As far as portability, you can swivel them all the way to give it a flat profile, stick it in the dust bag that Bluedio give you, so you can put it in your backpack or your traveling bag. Bluedio say that you can get about 25 hours of music playback time out of this. And as far as I know, Bluedio has always been delivering on battery efficiency, so I wouldn't doubt that 25 hours. So when it comes to sound quality, I've noticed that almost all the Bluedio headphones that I've used and tested so far sounds really good. By design, they place a lot of emphasis on the higher and lower frequencies, which makes this perfect for people who listen to a lot of hip-hop, R&B, and pop, and those type of music. These T5s can get really loud during music playback, and it does a really good job on balancing distortion, since you probably won't detect any, even all the way up to 85% volume. I'm not sure why you would want to play your headphones that loud over your ears, but it does a really good job if you take it all the way up there. So while going back and forth listening to the T4, T4S, and the T5, I've noticed that the sound signature still remains the same in all the models. So they didn't change anything in that regard. But I did notice though that the bass on the T5 much tighter and fuller in its delivery. Overall, it's a good pair of headphones that delivers some good clean sound. In my experience, Bluedio is never disappointed when it comes to sound delivery. But if you're thinking about getting a good pair of active noise cancelling headphones, then I would say the ANC on the T5 needs a lot more work before I can recommend it as a full-blown active noise cancelling headphone. Other than that, this is a really great pair of headphones that will not disappoint when it comes to sound delivery. Trust me, you're gonna love it. So, would I recommend the T5? Yes, but not as an active noise cancelling headphone. As a good pair of headphones that delivers some good, clean sound that won't disappoint. Definitely you can bang on this. And if you want one for yourself, check the link down in the description. And check this out, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But if you didn't like it, you could also give it a thumbs down. That's okay too. And I'm curious to hear what you think about the Bluedio T5 in the comment section right under the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Peace.